Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, we are going to start where we ended, with me on the arch driving the boat, but this is with a new boat. It's an Albin 30, so originally it was 9.2 meters long and 320 something wide, but it has been extended, so now it's a little bit over 10 meters. So at least here in Sweden it's classified as a motor yacht. So now we are proud owners of an vintage motor yacht, and it's really nice. Right now I've only been out on a maintenance tour, visited our old harbor and are on my way into our new harbor, but hopefully we're gonna change back to the old one, hopefully. And as you can see, the logo has changed, so now we are good to go again. There's gonna be a lot more episode about this boat, but right now we have our hands full with just getting this boat equipped like we want it, so we can start, go out cruising with it. That means yanking out all the old crap and empty all the cabins on, just old bad stuff. And all the storage, it was so much crap in them. I found 8 old car heaters, none of them worked. Today I found one more. It's so much storage in these boats. So here you have the inlet to the harbor. So it's quite nice to look at, but it's so far to everything. So I really like to move back to our old harbor. But hopefully we're gonna do that hopefully this year. And if I don't get it next year, I don't really know what we are going to do, but that's that. So if you want to see more about this new boat, give it a thumbs up, hit that like button and leave a comment below. And if you already haven't, subscribe to the channel, it's free. And yeah, if you are interested in restoring boats or motor yachts, now it's the time to start subscribe and following this channel. So tell your friends, see you next time.